Hi, still stuck at home, still using things around the house to make a nice meal, and today I decided to use my Hot Logic Mini personal portable oven to make pepperoni pizza pasta casserole. How does that sound? So easy. I just happen to have Barilla ready pasta. This is handy for the Hot Logic Mini personal portable oven. Let me open this up. This one comes with a Pyrex inside, but you could use any container in here that fits. It's so easy. Watch. Put the pasta inside. That's enough for me for lunch. See that? Ready to cook. I have 2 mushrooms. I have some pepperoni. And pizza sauce. And cheese. I had this all in my house here. I didn't have to go nowhere. I'm going to have an exciting lunch. Think I need 2 mushrooms? I washed these off already. But they dried by the time I got over here. Yeah, 2 mushrooms. Oh, mushrooms are good. They smell good too. Pepperoni pizza pasta casserole. Or stew, or soup, or just fun, that's all. I have my chunky style pizza sauce. How's that look? Ooh, it's chunky too. Liking it? How's it look so far? Ooh, 4K. Open this pepperoni. Maybe I'll stir it up a little before I top it with pepperoni. I think I'm going to top it with pepperoni. What do you think? I could probably put 2 packs of that pasta in there. But this is just for me for lunch. It's going to be good. I'm going to mix some cheese in the middle of it too right now. And top it with cheese too. See, this is all stuff I had around the house. Some sharp cheddar, shredded. Mix that up in there. Get it all incorporated throughout. This is going to be good. You know it. Get out some pepperoni on top there. Nice fresh pepperoni. See? Good enough? Sprinkle a little more cheese on top of there. That's sharp cheddar cheese, and I just happened to find a fresh piece of mozzarella from the cheese store. I'm gonna grate a little bit on there with this old-fashioned grater. Isn't that great? The old knuckle buster. Old-fashioned. Ooh. What do you think? Oh, what are we going to do now? Nothing, right? We're going to plug it in. You'll see. Isn't that nice? Let's put our lid on. Zip up our top. And now, like I always say, you can take this to wherever you want to go. You can take it to work. You can take it to your truck or your car or your job or your office or anywhere. But I'm going to plug it in the kitchen right here. And it's now 7 a.m. And this is going to be my lunch. So I'm going to leave that in there till about noon or whenever I really feel hungry. And I'm going to have a delicious pepperoni pizza pasta casserole in the Hot Logic Mini personal portable oven. Okay? Grab a bunch of stuff around your house, throw it in your Hot Logic, have a nice meal. It's easy and convenient. I can't wait to eat it, and it's probably going to smell good pretty soon. And I'll show you what it looks like. Okay? Still stuck at home, going to do a few things at home, but I know I'm going to eat good today. Alright, see you then. Okay, it's now 11:30 a.m. Let's see what it looks like. You ready to look at it? I'm ready to eat it. See, you could have took this to work and it'd be ready for lunch if you start at 7 or 8. Or wherever you went. Oh, look at this. Do you remember? Oh. Hot Logic Mini Pepperoni Pizza Pasta Casserole. Or whatever you want to call it. I love it. Let's get a spoon in there. And a fork. What do you think? See the noodles? Pepperoni, mushrooms, cheese on top. Cheese all through the middle. I have to put this in a bowl. Where's my bowl? Here's my bowl. Bowl me over. That was enough pasta, that one bag. Look at that. Now I can cover this up and it will stay warm at that perfect temperature until somebody comes home. Or until I eat it all. Where's my fork now? Pepperoni. Mushroom. Completely done pasta. Take a taste. What a delicious lunch for me today. Thanks to my Hot Logic Mini. Try this in yours or with whatever ingredients you have around your house. Put them in there, have a nice casserole. So if you don't have a Hot Logic yet, the mini or the family size, click the link below and use my code for a discount. You'll get a good discount today. Down there in the description, in the video description. Okay? So check it out. And I'm going to enjoy this now. Thanks. I'll see you at supper time. Ooh. Stay safe, everybody, alright? Stay healthy. Eat good. See what you can dream up in your Hot Logic Mini.